Good afternoon. It is February 5th, 2024, and today we really just had a range day. Um, Prices went down and up. I believe this channel to be valid, and I think the break is right here, and then you get a strong sell-off, break of that channel, move to a new low, and then it reversed. The reversal and the channel is much clearer on this 6500 tick chart. And the reversal is a very beautiful setup. You can see that there. Technically, it ticks lower here, but you can see that's a first failed second entry short. Very good setup above the EMA, and look at it go. And we've really been ranging for since about, let's call that 10 o'clock, something in here. But anyway, here's how I saw it on this channel. So, I do believe that the channel started from, I guess, Friday. But in the overnight, we were just ranging. And I don't think there's any trades before these here, but let's take a look. We're making lower highs. Because we're making lower highs, I don't think you want to go long here. And you can see they trap a bunch of bulls. We're going sideways. We get a break of this channel, and then it's just off to the races. The floor falls out. Boom. I think if you know what's going on here, you can take this. This is a second entry short, but it's also a failed second entry long. And it's a breakout pullback of the overnight lows. So I think you can take that. Here you have a failed second entry long again and a hidden second entry short. That's a new high. First entry, failed second entry short again, or failed second entry long again, and hidden second entry short again. These are all off this trend line. And again, we get a second entry short. And this one's a hidden failure. Hidden first entry, failed second entry long. So this one's more aggressive. There's slightly more overlap than these, but this is a repeat pattern. We've been seeing it over and over again. Come down here, and then we just go sideways, get the break of this channel, and then a new low. I don't think there's anything in here. And then it reverses. And now all of a sudden we're, making higher lows and higher highs. You get this double bottom. This is a second entry long right here, and then you get a double bottom, and it's 5 ticks. But I don't think you want to take that. I'll mark it, but I don't think you want to take it. This looks like a second entry long to me, but it's not a new low. So that's super aggressive too. Really, I probably shouldn't mark either of those. But then we come up here and you get this two-legged pullback, nice bullish signal bar. And that leads to a leg up. I have the channel drawn like this here because I like the midline like that, but it could be more like this. That actually looks pretty good. So anyway, we do end up getting an overshoot, and it pull back, pulls up, goes to the highs again, new high, and it's pretty clear we're in a trading range. So think about the gaps. This gap wasn't closed, so this high, this low did not touch that high. We went higher, and then this gap right here, the top of this was closed. You can see right here, and so the bears are getting stronger, and so that gap closed. So we're probably, big up, big down, big up, big down. When we come here, it's probably a trading range. This is not a great signal bar, but in my opinion, this is reasonable to, if you want to be aggressive, to take this. Ends up being pretty good if you hold out. I'd probably just scalp. But Yeah, we end up going higher. We break out, sells off, and again, you could be aggressive here. Not the greatest setup, but you could think about it. And that's how I saw it. And there's 13 minutes until market close. So here's one more look at the 6,500 chart. I didn't even look at the 11,000, but let's take a look at the daily. So like a doji, looks like we're finishing up. So hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.